Hey everybody, Troy here from Make Sales Faster, and I've got a video review today for you on a piece of software that is called VideoCreator. And this is by a fellow named Ponna, and he makes really tremendous products. He does really well. The quality, I've bought several of his products in the past, and this is his latest. This seems to be the most complete of what he's done so far. So today I want to give you a good idea of what this is, how it works a little bit. It's going to be launching, depending on when you're watching this, on April the 13th. That's a Tuesday in 2021. So if you're here after that, you're going to still be able to get access to it by clicking these links. So this yellow button here, or this red, click here to grab VideoCreator up here. So let me tell you about this product briefly. It's a VideoCreator. It's a one-stop solution for all your video needs. So if you need to create videos for anything in your business, maybe there's a product you want to feature, a service, maybe you want to highlight your business on your YouTube page or your Twitter or your LinkedIn or wherever it might be, Instagram, you're able to create really videos really easily, really quickly, high quality with this really cool software. So I'll tell you a little bit more about it in a minute, but I do want to suggest that as great as this software is in creating videos, what it's missing, and it's by design, it's not designed to this, but how do you make money with it, right? So you're going to find with the tools that are included in my bonuses that you can only get from me by click here to secure your copy, any of these yellow buttons. Please do that, and you'll be able to get ways that you can make even more money from these. Now, Ponna, I will tell you, in his training, he's going to give you some great ideas, and they really work. I've used them myself, and I've made money, not just from the video, but how to sell the video. But here, let's look at my bonuses. So bonus number 1, it's how to steal traffic or eyeballs or customers or prospects from other sites without having an email list, right? And it's called Fuego Multiplier. So you'll be able to use all sorts of different popular sites to get people to your page. Now, there's Fuego Breakout is similar, except this one's geared towards Instagram traffic. Really cool ways of how you can just get very highly interested people over to you so they can look at your videos and you'll be able to make money from them. And it's a really interesting concept, a great tool you're going to like that goes with that. So you'll be not only getting traffic from these big sites like Facebook and LinkedIn and things like that. Third bonus goes even further. So free traffic from Reddit and Kindle and online forums. That's ultimate traffic mantra. So what's going on with my bonuses is that you're going to be getting lots and lots of eyeballs to these amazing videos we're going to talk about in just a moment. Bonus 4, this is how to explode your YouTube. So how do you get YouTube views? Because if these videos are going to be on YouTube, you want them seen, right? You don't just want them pretty videos that nobody's seeing and you're not profiting from. So bonus 4 is going to be how to do that. Again, you just click this yellow button. Now, to get to this page, you have to click in the description, in the YouTube description, just below this video. Click on that and you'll go to this page and you'll be able to buy all this stuff. So there's also bonus number 5, Paul Ponna, the video creator. He's got a whole whack of bonuses for you as well. Images, voiceovers, sound, different ways to sell this. He's got lots and lots of ideas that you're going to want to get a hold of there. So again, just go to the description in the YouTube of this video you're watching, click it, and then you'll go to this page and click any of these yellow buttons and you'll be on to get my bonuses. Now let's talk about what this is. So VideoCreator, Paul Ponna has been doing this, I think, 4 years, just getting software that's better and better and better. And I've bought several of his products, from Video Robot to his avatar to just his general video creation tool. This one is the best ever. It's got everything you'd want. Hundreds of beautiful video templates that you can load in, and then you can change parts of it, change the images, change the sounds, change the text, all that kind of stuff. And it happens in minutes. So you're able to put videos down. You don't have to hire someone to do it. You don't have to send it to Fiverr or to Upwork. In fact, you can be the video creator, right? With this software, you'll be able to make professional videos, even if you've never created a video before, right? This software is so easy. Anybody who's out there looking for videos, you can offer your services for a fee, and you build a good relationship. You might be able to get more in business. In fact, one way I use this tool is I'll go to people that are on, say, Craigslist, businesses that are selling things like HVAC or plumbing or chiropractors or dental offices. And one of my strategies is I'll offer them a free video that you can create in minutes for them. Send it to them, say, if you like this, you can have it for free. And I'd like to make other videos that are relevant to what you're looking at. And it's a great way to call the puppy dog sale. So you give them something free, build a relationship, and then they come to you for more and more needs. And so you'll be able to get paid for these things. You go on to, let's say, Fiverr, or go on to Upwork. There's people looking for videos. You'll be able to bid, get jobs, and you'll be able to use this software to make money for yourself. If you're not using it in your own business or for your own applications, maybe you're a not-for-profit, you're at school, if you're a teacher, who knows what you might do. You could make videos to illustrate your ideas much better than just using text or something like that. So anyway, I could go on forever. So this software has all sorts of things. 3D product features, e-commerce. If you have a Shopify store, you can build videos to feature your products. Motion tracking, explainer videos. If you need to make instructions clear, use videos. Animated videos, those cute cartoon type things. Logo reveals, right? If you at the beginning of some videos, you see a logo kind of come across. You can take your logo, do a really cool logo reveal, and it makes you look extra professional. Whiteboard videos, those doodle type ones, you can make those with this software. Live action, 3D. Make video ads, put them on your social media, so on your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, all that stuff. So what are the prices, right? You probably want to know. Well, the price for a personal license is $37, $47 if you want to use the commercial license, which comes with a few more benefits, right? So level 1, you'll get all of this for either $37 or $47 if you want to get the license for commercial use, right? Now, you get all these hundreds of video templates, videos in all dimensions. There's images and videos you have access to, copyright-free music library. Now, the one caution here is the quality is good at 720p HD. So if you're making videos, you'll get a reasonable level of quality. If you want higher level 1080p, you do need to get the upgrade. Now, when I first bought this, I didn't know that, and so I bought it, and then I wanted the 1080p. So my suggestion is, if you can get it early, buy it at once if you need that. If you don't need that, if just 720 is good, if you don't need the 1080p, stick with this. But there's step-by-step training. You can put in your own assets, which means your pictures, your music, your videos, whatever it is. Unlimited video renders. There's lots of support in any languages. You get a commercial license. You can sell the videos. You get access to their Facebook group, which is tremendous. Lots of ideas on how you can make money with this. If you have problems making videos, there's people that'll help you. You'll get tons of ideas. That alone is worth, I would say, hundreds of dollars in mentorship. And it's like free mentorship on their Facebook page. Included, they even give you Skype mentorship, so and 8-week training. So you get lots and lots of value for your $37 or $47. Now, upgrade 1, if you want to get to the 1080p, you want that. Plus, you get 200 plus premium video templates, and you get 20 new templates every month, right? You get an agency account, so you can have 5 people logging in. If you have a virtual assistant, or they can log in, you can share it with customers, that kind of thing. Done for you agency. This means that if you want to market this, and I mentioned if you want to sell to local contractors or local businesses, you'll be able to sell this system to people to become their video creation expert, right? In fact, you could even make a whole agency out of this. You could sell things, not only create videos, but you could create logos and graphics with other tools that are available out there. Just ask me if you want to know about some of these other tools. You get VIP support. You get your own website that comes with this. You don't have to create your own website. You can just use the one they give you, change the colors, change whatever, and you can sell right through the video website they give for you. And like we say, that's only $67, right? Now, if you want upgrade 2, well, this is called unlimited, and now you can create extra length videos, put multiple videos together. In fact, it's an editor, because you will need an editor at some point. This one's included if you buy this level. There's in-app voice recording, there's a webcam recorder, text-to-speech, so if you type in text, it'll turn it into speech that you can upload over top of your video. Really cool stuff. No monthly fees. Voice Suite Unlimited, you get a whole text-to-speech editor, you get male and female voices, 290 of them, all sorts of different languages. It's unlimited usage, really great buy for $39. And then if you go the highest level, if you $29, you can really take away the branding. You can sell this yourself, this whole system, which if that's something you're interested in doing, you might be in a good position to do that. Consider that upgrade. So how you do this all is you go into the description of this YouTube video you're watching right now, click that link, you'll go to a page, this page that looks like this, and you just buy it by clicking these. And I told you about the bonuses that will drive lots of traffic to your videos, help you really monetize this and make lots of money. So folks, that's it. We hope this is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions, but we'll see you on the other side. Enjoy the software.